Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Everything. This is Amy coming to you to show you a video on a neat little website. I'm not sure if you have it in your area. You can put in your zip code and go check it out to see if it's in your area or nearby you. The website is Mac.Bid. It's mac.bid.com. Mac.Bid is a site. It's where how it works is they buy return and overstock goods from big retailers, and they sell them at online auction, which is what Mac.Bid is. You bid on the product, and the auctions usually start at $1, and they have lots of winners each day, a lot of locations, but you just have to go on the website or download the app. And my referral fees will be down in the comment for you to use it and try it. Warning, just to let you know, it's addictive. I'm telling you, it's addictive. Because if you love competition, you love bidding and winning on stuff, this is the site for you. So let's get started. So I'm going to start and show you my referral code, but again, it will be down in the description. Here is my referral code here, and it will be down in the description. All right, let's go to home, and you can look through here, scroll through, make sure you have your location on to your area, the area that's closest to you. They have all kind of things that you can bid on. A Keurig K-Duo coffee maker, the bid is starting at $3, ending 20 hours and 50 minutes. If you want to put this on your watch list, this little star here, you can press that, it turns green, and you go down here, hit watch list, and it will go on your watch list. And you can look at all the information on the account screen. It have, whenever you bid and win, it will have a waiting pickup, your pickup location. You can have your notifications turned on, your profile, your purchase history, bid history, and if you want to join the buyers club, which in my area I think it's $10 to get on the buyers club, which is very good. I'll probably be joining here soon. They have the Buyers Club rewards. Go in and look at how that is. And again, the referral program, which my referral fee code will be down in the description. Excuse me. And go back to the home. And you can browse the deals, top deals, dollar deals, popular deals, ending soon, instant win, pallets. Yes, they have pallets where you can buy the entire pallet and resell it on Facebook Marketplace, anywhere you want to resell it. Your local flea market, anywhere you want to sell it. Turbo clock auctions, I haven't checked that out yet to see what that's about. Your last chance deals, your final frenzy. And they have your categories, which is your appliances, baby, electronics, furniture, sporting goods, home and kitchen, pets, tools, and home improvement, toys, and much, much more. And here's your locations. You can look and put in your zip code. It tells you the location where you can go and pick up your product that you win. Here's help at Mac.Bid. That was on the more screen. If you click the little three little dots, It goes to your help where you can email them and ask for anything or have questions, how it works, bidding tips, terms, conditions, all that. So let's go back to the home page. Pull it down, and then if you want to check out up the top, it always pick out things that you may like depending on what you was searching for. They have the ending soon, which I love. I'll put on the filters to my area, and condition, I usually uncheck open box because I want it like new. Keep that check in my location, and if you want to narrow it down to the categories, I just leave everything open on that, but I make sure I do my location or the nearest location to me like new, and I apply filters. So it breaks it down to what all that is in my area. So a few things here they have that you can go and bid on. Let's see. They have a baby car seat, for instance, camera monitor. The bidding starts at $1, 20 hours and 15 minutes. So if you press on it, it gives you the current bid is $1. If you want to bid on it, you will slide that little green flickery light, and your bid will start at $2. It goes up in $1 increments, and you can set your max bid, which I love, which my strategy to use. I usually set my max bid at $5 to $10 more. No one else sees your max bid but you, or know your max bid but you. So if you set it, that's a little tidbit. You can set it to $5 to $10 more, but I do wait at least 3 minutes for the clock to be counted down. Like this bid, the offer expires in 1 hour and 18 minutes. So Mac.Bid, you can bid on things all throughout the night, all throughout the day. But in my area, some of the bids on the ending soon stuff ends at 8 p.m. I'm on Eastern time, so it ends at 8 o'clock. But you can keep bidding on stuff like, whatever you see that's near you, you can still bid on it. It's just the ending soon stuff that ends. And then you can click the little arrow down, and you can see the product information, the location, and it'll tell you sometimes it'll say not transferable to your pickup location, which means it cannot be transferred to my pickup location. It's not near to me, so that it can't be transferred. It'll tell you up under the description of the product name. It'll tell you if it's transferable or not. It have the product information, the description of it, and the condition, which is very important for me and will be to you also. You want to see that it says like new. Some of them will say damaged, so watch out for that. It'll be in red. They have the dimensions, the aisle number, wherever you go pick it up, and the view on Amazon. So if you hit that, press that, it will take you to Amazon and show you what that product is selling for at retail. So this little monitor is selling for $25.99 on Amazon, which is so neat. So you hit back maybe twice to get out of that, to go back to Mac.Bid, and it tell you the transfer options if it's allowed. And on this product, it is allowed. It transfers to these locations. You have the auction information. It ends Friday, January 16th. Pickup deadline is January 19th. Usually it's 3 days to pick up a product. I usually pay for stuff 24 hours after I win the bid, but they give you 3 days, 3 days to pick up your product. I think you can pay a lot fee for them to hold it a couple days. I'm not sure, but check your locations. They have the auction policies, and it tells you about the inspection, payment if you win, returns. It usually says returns are sold. All items are sold as is. Returns would not be accepted. But I think you can get insurance on some of the products. It's just, I'm just not sure. But my rule of thumb is if you buy anything $50 to $100 or over, get insurance. See if you can get insurance on that product in case you get it home and something is wrong with it. You can take it back only if you have the insurance. The transfers, I think if you are a Mac.Bid member, you have a membership, you can pay $10 in my area. I'm not sure in other areas, but it's $10 for a transfer fee. The fees on all winning bids are 15% of your bid price, your winning price. So 15%, which if you win something for, let me see, get my calculator here. If you win something for $10, for example, you pay a 15%, and that 15% fee may be different in whatever area you're in. Just check and read your policies. So $10, you won the bid for $10. The 15% is $1.50, correct? So that'll be $11.50. So you're going to pay $11.50 for your win, for your bid. Then you're going to pay your lot fee, which my lot fee is $3. So added to that, that's already up to what? $13, $14. Then you pay your taxes. So if you win it, probably what, $15, $20. So you get it. You remember on Amazon you was going to pay $25. So, and that $10 only goes up for how many people that's bidding on it. So if it doesn't go up from $1 to $2, or it just stays at $1, you pay 15% on that dollar, which is not a lot. Let's go back here, and I'm just scroll through so you can see some of the things that's an auction. That's cute. It's a makeup train case cosmetic organizer for $5 starting bid. K-cup holder, coffee pot, $1. Wall chargers, and/or mosquito zapper, some slippers, Bluetooth wireless earbuds, earbuds, and they have TVs and all kind of things on here. We have won a great bit of stuff. We are Mac.Bid addicts, I'm telling you. I'll show you some things that I've won. Let me see, whatever, my purchase history. So I've won this Mac.Bid pendant light, which is like a chandelier type. I won it at 17. Well, I paid, the ending price I paid was $17.98. Originally retail was $139.99. Pretty pendant light chandelier I got. So I won it, paid for it. The total is $17.98 compared to $139. Now, who would like to pay for that? Me. And I won this area rug. It was a 10 by 13 area rug. which was huge. It covers my entire living room. Let me see if I can get back to it. Okay, and I paid $61, and well, that was my total of all the things I won that day, so don't think I'm paying that much for that rug. I won the rug for $61 total price. Regular retail price is $139.99, so you see how much I saved. I saved $78.95, and above on that chandelier I saved $122. See the difference? How much you can save? Then on this lamp, I won for $25.36. I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. Check this out before you go pay retail for anything, because it's, for one, you save, and two, you have fun, and you can bid and win. I'm very competitive, so I like to bid and win. I get so excited when I win. What else I want to show you? Let's see. So up here is your ending soon, your dollar deals, all deals, instant win, top deals. So that's that. But again, my referral code will be down in the description. And you have your bidding tips and all that good stuff. Let's see. I'm trying to get back to the... Okay. So I've looked for so much stuff lately, and to see if I can have any good deals. Alright, so if y'all have any, let me see, any more questions, just leave them down in the comments, and just check it out, see which if Mac.Bid is in your area. So thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We will appreciate it, and I will see you on the next video. See you later.